So Dacia have announced a new trim level and a sleep pack. Want to find out more? Stay tuned. So details have just gone live this morning of a new range topping trim level that's coming for Sandero Stepway, Jogger and Duster. I've got all the details here on the press release, so as normal we're going to read out what those details are. I'll overlay some pictures and some videos of the new car for you to check out yourself. And of course, once the car actually lands, I'll post that onto our social media channels. So Facebook and Instagram, you can check those out at SMC Dacia. And of course, if you like this video and you want to see more Dacia related content and news, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, as whenever we hear of anything that we think is important to you guys, we'll make a video and we'll post it here. So we'll start with the headlines. Dacia's strong alignment with the outdoors is further highlighted with the reveal of the new extreme trim level for Sandero Stepway, Duster and Jogger. New trim level welcomes new extended grip as standard on Sandero Stepway Extreme, Jogger Extreme to maximise traction, helping drivers venture further off the beaten track. Dacia is also launching a new sleep pack that converts any jogger into a mobile bedroom, making camping easier and demonstrating the brand's famed ingenuity. Sleep Pack becomes the first of a new range of in-nature accessories, also available with blackout blinds and a smart tent. Orders for the Extreme models open from 1st of March, which is today, with the Sleep Pack following in the second quarter of the year. And again, as soon as that becomes available, I'll post that to our socials. Dacia's sense of adventure and outdoor spirit is now even greater thanks to the introduction of a new range-topping extreme trim level and the release of an innovative sleep pack that turns the jogger's spacious interior into a mobile bedroom in minutes. The new extreme trim, which marks the pinnacle of the Sandero Stepway range and replaces the previous Extreme SE on Jogger and Duster, so like the car behind me, it stands out with its own distinctive look that evokes a sense of the great outdoors. Exclusive Cedar Green paintwork contrasts perfectly with the copper brown mirror caps, wheel centers, Dacia's tailgate logo and roof bar emblems. Sandero Stepway and Jogger also feature copper brown detailing for the front fog lights, so these bits down here, and of course I'll pop that up on the screen for you now, plus striking topographical pattern on the front doors and side guards. Duster carries a similar design on the door pillars, protective wheelarch flares and snorkel. All models come with brilliant black alloy wheels, 16-inch on the Sandero Stepway and Jogger, 17-inch on the Duster, as well as a brilliant black shark fin antenna. That same appealing topographical pattern makes its way into the interior too, where it appears on the door sills and hard-wearing rubber floor mats, while copper brown highlights can be found on the front door panels, air vent surrounds, and the Duster's gear lever surround and stitching. Making its debut with the trio of extreme models is a new upholstery material called microcloud, used across the seats and door panels, as well as on the dashboard of the Sandero Stepway and Jogger. Its unique velvet-like appearance and soft feel is hard-wearing and easy to clean. I would love to know how they came up with a name for that. Complementing the Duster's availability as a rugged and robust four-wheel drive model, both Sandero Stepway Extreme and Jogger Extreme are now equipped with extended grip as standard. This clever feature, activated by a button on the center console, adjusts the electronic stability control setting to maximize the available traction on loose surfaces, helping drivers venture further back off the beaten track. So there we go. So yeah, so basically because they're front wheel drive, they're not going to have as much grip as say a four-wheel drive car does. So what they've done is they've tweaked the traction control system to basically just give you a little bit more grip than you would traditionally have. So that's on that. Meanwhile, Dacia Jogger owners who love adventure can benefit from Dacia's first new accessory launched as part of the In Nature range. The clever new sleep pack turns the Jogger's spacious interior into a bedroom for two in a matter of minutes. Going from camping has never been so easy. So there you go. Sleep pack is simple, removable and affordable. It is compatible with all joggers in all trim levels and features a 220-litre storage box that can be accessed with the double bed unfolded or folded. Dacia's ingenious thinking has once again been applied with Sleep Pack, being able to be set up unassisted in less than 2 minutes, requiring only the removal of the third row seats. So if you're unfamiliar with the Jogger, seats 6 and 7, so the very back row, you can actually remove those seats. They're about 10 kilos each. So for some people, they actually prefer to have it as a 5-seater and just have a big boot. And then as of when they need those additional seats, they can just slot them back in. So it's super simple, that. To keep things simple and easy, the whole pack weighs less than 50 kilos, making it effortless to remove. And when set up with its generous 190 by 130 centimeters mattress, it still offers a surprising 60 centimeters of headroom, limiting the chances of anything going bump in the night. Unintentionally, at least, anyway. In the morning, the pack can be quickly folded away before setting off on another adventure. If more sleeping space is needed, a smart tent is also available that can be connected to the Jogger's open tailgate, while blackout blinds for all windows offer privacy and light control. The sleep pack and other in-nature accessories will be available to order at the same time as the new Dacia Jogger, or can be easily added at any time separately. So they, as I say, they're due to land in the second quarter of this year, and they will be accessories. So if you've already got a Jogger, you will be able to add this pack onto your car. And of course, you can also order it from new when you order a car from us in the showrooms. So priced, so the cars here are now priced from $16,745 on the road for the Sandero Stepway Extreme, from $19,695 on the road for the Duster Extreme, and $19,445 on the road for the Jogger Extreme. The new adventurous trim level line is available to order from the 1st of March, with the sleep pack following in the second quarter. Lionel Joly, I think I got that right. I apologise profusely if I've got that wrong. Dacia's Vice President of Product Performance said, "Having launched our new brand identity across all our models, we are now launching a new trim level across several models in the Dacia range." Basically all bar Sandero. The extreme trim level encapsulates Dacia's outdoorsy spirit and gives it an even greater meaning to our brand's promise. Sandero Stepway, Duster and Jogger will be available in extreme trim level, which boasts a unique adventurous look and features that complement outdoor activity equipment. So there you go. So no word yet as to when we're going to see these cars in the flesh, but as soon as we do, I'll be sure to post them to our socials. But in terms of how they'll drive, they're going to drive very much the same as the existing range. So if you do want to have a test drive and to order one, then pop into our showrooms at Weybridge and at Aldershot. And of course, if you want to find out more details about this and all of the other range and the latest offers, check out our website, smcdacia.co.uk. As I say, you can find us on social media at smcdacia, where you'll find our Facebook and our Instagram pages. We're also on LinkedIn, TikTok and Twitter, and you can find that at SMC Motor Group. So yeah, that pretty much covers it. And as I said, if you like this content, you want to find out more news and features around the Dacia range, then make sure you click subscribe and click that bell icon to always get notified whenever we make new content. Till then, I'm Max, this is SMC Motor Group, and I'll see you on the next one.